Welcome back to my channel, future billionaire. It's me, the Dollar Preacher. I'm thrilled to have you back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of stock picking. Get ready to unlock the secrets to building wealth and securing your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the stock market, that power translates to profits. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. Are you ready to transform your life and become a master of the market? I know you are. Let's turn those dreams into reality. Remember, this isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about making smart, informed decisions to grow your wealth over time. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and building a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's dive into the world of stock picking together. I promise, by the end of this journey, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Before we conquer the market, we need to understand the basics. Stock selection is like choosing the best ingredients for a delicious recipe. Each stock represents a piece of a company, and your goal is to pick the companies that will grow and prosper. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just buy any fruit and expect a delicious fruit salad, right? You'd pick the freshest, ripest fruits to create something amazing. The same goes for stocks. We need to select companies with strong potential. How do we do this? By researching and analyzing. We need to understand what a company does, how well it's performing, and its future prospects. This is called fundamental analysis, and it's a cornerstone of intelligent investing. Remember, investing in the stock market isn't gambling. It's about making calculated decisions based on solid information. It's about becoming a part owner of businesses you believe in and watching them grow. Now let's talk about those delicious company fundamentals. These are the core factors that indicate a company's health and potential for growth. Think of it as looking under the hood of a car before you buy it. First, we have revenue and earnings. Revenue is the total money a company brings in, while earnings are the profits left after expenses. We want to see consistent growth in both areas. That shows us the company is doing something right. Next, we look at debt. Just like with personal finances, too much debt can be a burden. We want to see companies managing their debt responsibly. A healthy balance sheet is crucial for long-term success. Finally, we consider management. A company is only as good as the people running it. We want to see experienced, ethical leaders who can navigate challenges and drive growth. Remember, we're investing in businesses, and businesses are built by people. Now let's talk about market trends. These are like the currents in the ocean, constantly shifting and influencing stock prices. Understanding these trends helps us make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. One key trend is economic growth. When the economy is booming, businesses tend to thrive and stock prices rise. Conversely, during economic downturns, stock prices may fall. Keeping an eye on economic indicators can give you valuable insights. Another important trend is industry performance. Some industries like technology or healthcare might be experiencing rapid growth, while others might be facing challenges. Understanding these dynamics can help you identify promising investment opportunities. Remember, market trends can be influenced by a wide range of factors, from government policies to technological advancements. Staying informed is key to navigating these ever-changing waters. Now let's talk about protecting your hard-earned money. Risk management. Investing always involves some level of risk, but smart investors know how to minimize it. One key strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes. This helps cushion your portfolio against losses if one investment performs poorly. Another important aspect is setting stop-loss orders. These are like safety nets for your investments. They automatically sell your stocks if the price drops below a certain level, limiting your potential losses. Remember, risk tolerance varies from person to person. It's essential to assess your risk appetite and invest accordingly. Don't be afraid to seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. Now let's talk about the most important factor in your investing journey, your mindset. Mastering your emotions is crucial for making rational decisions and achieving long-term success. One common pitfall is emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed dictate your actions. Making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations can lead to costly mistakes. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Another key is patience. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect overnight riches. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't be discouraged by short-term setbacks. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Develop a winning mindset based on patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. This will be your greatest asset in navigating the ups and downs of the market. Now let's talk about the power of time. In investing, time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compounding. Compounding is like a snowball effect. As your investments earn returns, those returns are reinvested, generating even more returns over time. It's like earning interest on your interest, and it's a powerful tool for building wealth. Think of it this way: planting a tree today might seem insignificant, but over time it grows into a mighty oak. The same principle applies to investing. Start early, be patient, and let time work its magic. Remember, investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from the power of compounding. Now let's talk about building your financial fortress. Investing in the stock market is just one piece of the puzzle. To achieve true financial security, you need a holistic approach. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. Track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate a portion of your earnings towards investments. Remember, every dollar counts. Next, prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Credit card debt, for example, can eat into your potential returns. Focus on eliminating these debts first, to free up more cash flow for investments. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart financial decisions consistently over time. Start small, stay disciplined, and celebrate your progress along the way. Congratulations, future billionaires! You've now been equipped with the knowledge and tools to master the market and achieve financial freedom. Remember, the journey starts with a single step. Start by putting what you've learned into practice. Research companies, analyze market trends, and develop your investment strategy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. That's how you learn and grow. Investing is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Stay curious, stay informed, and never stop seeking knowledge. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your investment decisions. Now, go forth and conquer the market. I have faith in you. Remember, the power to build wealth is in your hands. Start today and watch your financial dreams become a reality.